In this question, we've been asked to write a program that asks for the user's age and then just outputs a simple message based on how old they are. So if they're under 9, they're outputting a really young child. 9 to 17, you're still a child, not really young. 18 to 65, you're an adult, and over 65, you're a senior. So that's just going to be an if-else if structure. So you're using those elif pieces of code. So let's get this started. It's we need to ask for the age, so that's going to be an integer. So enter your age. Okay, and then we're just going to use a bunch of if statements here. So if age is bigger than 0 and age is less than 9. Now we use strictly less than because it said if you're under 9. If you're over 9 or 9 or above, then you're doing something different. Okay, so we're just printing you are a young child. Okay, so if it's not between 0 and 9, then we're going to check between 9 and 17. So if age is bigger than or equal to 9. The key you have to watch out is like you can't have less than or equal to here and greater than or equal to here, because that's it's not going to know what to do, or your logic will be flawed at that. The program will do what it's supposed to do, and it's going to do this first because this would execute to true, and this is an else. But that's not what you would want to have happen normally. You want your conditionals in the elif statements to be mutually exclusive. All right. And age is less than or equal to 17. So here we're printing you are a child. Elif, let's say age is bigger than or equal to 18, and age is less than or equal to 65. You're an adult. Now, actually, I think I'm just make this less than 65, because once you get to 65, you're a senior. Okay. So you are an adult. Okay. So anything from 18 to 64 is an adult. And then, if you are bigger than or older than 65, then you can print you are a senior. The only thing that could mess this up would be if your age is less than 0. So maybe we have an else that says not a valid age. Okay. So we can run that and see it. We should test our different categories here. So let's test under. So if I enter like -5, so not a valid age, that makes sense. If I'm an adult, so if I'm 40, I'm an adult. If I am 3, I'm a young child. If you're 16, you're a child. And if you're 125, I keep forgetting. Put my cursor in the right spot. Okay, I'm a senior. Okay. So it's just a simple elif structure to solve this problem.